First, open a new browser tab and head to the figma.com. Once the site loads, click on the Get Started for Free button. To make things easier, select Continue with Google, choose your account and click Continue to create your Figma account. When Figma loads for the first time, you will see an onboarding experience. Enter your name, select design for the type of work you do, choose company, freelancer and other for describing your work. For usually collaborate with, pick teammates for now. Skip the invite collaboration step. For what bring you Figma today, click other. If asked if you used Figma before, select no. Choose the starter plan for now as it has all the features you need. Skip the remaining questions for now as we will explore the interface first. And boom, you have successfully landed on the Figma interface. Since it's your first time here, I will help you remove some extra things. Now click on all projects here. You will see all the projects under your team. You can rename your projects if you like. I changed mine to the team Figma. When you open the project or folder, you will see all of your files belonging to the team Figma. Let me remove this dummy files for you. Next, click on a design file button to add a new file to this project or folder. We have now reached where we need to be. In the next video, I will guide you through the Figma interface and how to start designing. So, that's it for now. See you in the next video. Watching a tutorial video is just a beginning. The next step is for you to create a new Figma account by yourself. Once you have done that, I have a tweet template for you to post on your Twitter X account using my hashtag. This will connect you with the others who are also learning. So feel free to ask questions using the hashtag and connect with me and the other designers. Thank you.